Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. Today we want to look at the Create Framework command. You may find yourself in a situation similar to the one I have here. I've imported the eSave tutorial geometry and grid topology. However, I've changed this up such that all of my entities are currently in the root framework. And this brings up the question, what happens in those instances where I would like to separate grid and or geometry into its own framework, possibly a child framework of our root that we have here. Well, to do that, you need to use the Create Framework command, and you can see from the tooltip text that no entities are selected, so the framework command is not available. It is selection sensitive, so I do need to select those entities first. So let's switch over to the Layers panel, and you can see that we have three layers here which include the geometry and grid topology for the GBU12. So what I'm going to do is toggle on these extra layers for the geometry model and for the surface mesh so that I can select all of this at the same time. And instead of actually using the list or selecting in the display window, I'm going to select these three layers and come down here to the bottom of the panel and use the Add to Selection option. That takes all of the contents of the currently selected layers and adds them to my current selection. Now I can go back up to the Create menu, pull down to Framework, and after a few moments, it will have transferred all of the entities from those layers that I have selected into a new framework. Once it's completed, clicking over to the Frameworks tab, I can see I have Framework 1. It is rendered in a transparent mode, indicating that it's not the current framework. Again, double clicking on the name, we can change its name to GBU12, hit enter, and we're done. We have a new child framework with those entities to operate on as we need to. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.